everybody, it's Tarnish-Resistant with Wade Fine Arts. Just wanted to give everyone an update. I am doing well and getting stronger every day. As you can see, my hair is starting to curl back. Hopefully I'll be able to be out in my new art studio before long, where I can be making new videos. In the meantime, I'll try to post some short videos of updates on my status, as well as maybe some things I'm working on here inside my home until I can get my art studio going. I've got a new building out back that I'm turning into a studio for doing artwork. And again, if you'll just stay with us, I will be posting videos when I can of things I'm working on that I can do here in my home. So again, thanks for everybody that has continued to subscribe and support me, and continue to watch my older videos as much as you would like. And I will also be posting new videos when I can. So again, I have a couple of items that I have recently made as a side project until my art studio is back up. I have been able to do some more jewelry, and unfortunately I wasn't able to record videos as I made those things. But I will show you photos of those things, as well as I will post pictures of the new items I have created. These will also be up on my Facebook page for sale if anyone is interested in purchasing any of my jewelry that I have made. Again, thank you everyone for staying with the channel and subscribing. Thank you to the new subscribers, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks.